Welcome back. Robbers struck a flat in Madgaon on Thursday. The flat owner claims that jewellery worth 5 lakh rupees was robbed in a daylight robbery. The owner says robbers took advantage of election as all the police officials are gearing up for the poll preparation.
Robbers struck a flat of Surendra and Sunita Malkarnekar. They claim that robbers robbed gold worth around 5 lakh rupees. The couple claimed that incident must have taken place between 9 in the morning to 2 in the afternoon.
Federal Bank loan clear करून हाडलेले आम्ही भांगात 4 दीस जाला. काकणा 2 ब्रेसलेट आणि व्हडली 2 धाकटी ब्रेसलेट सगळं बँकीन आशिल्लें ते हाडला हांवें. वयल्यान भांगतिळे 2 कानाची वयली नथ एक कितें म्हाका कितें सांगू म्हाका लक्षांत येना इतके म्हणजे भांगाराचे सगळे म्हणजे आतां 8 वर्सां 9 वर्सांचे काही सगळे जोड ते सगळे गव्हाणांनी हांवें एकठांय केले.
सगळे केडीएम
कितल्याचे आसले ऑलमोस्ट 5 to 6 lakhs.
गांव असलो जाल्यार एक दुसरी गजाल आशिल्ली हे सिटीन आनी लोक सामके चलता वयतात घरान आनी एक
आनी एक्चुअली खरें म्हणल्यार इलेक्शना लागून लोक फायदो घेता सगळे पुलीस थंय उरता आनी हांगा आमचे नॉर्मल मनीस अशें हें करता.
आनी इतली वर्सां जालीं आमचे शोरूम थंय कपड्याचो धाकलो रूम आसा शोरूम कपडे दुकानाचो ते सद्दां वयता अशें न्हू की आयजूच गेल्ले आनी अशें ना सद्दां वयता आनी सद्दां आमगे दुकान हें आसता बंद आसता हांगा.
Police have filed a Panchnama and investigation is on. A reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
With just a couple of days left for the assembly election, National Election Watch has appealed to the Goans to come out in large numbers and vote. For the first time in the history of assembly, the NGO has compiled details of all candidates which are in public domain. They have also urged the voters to be informed about the candidates by viewing these details.
National Election Watch has uploaded details of all 215 candidates on its website www.myneta.info. These details, like a list of assets, criminal records and other information, is sourced from the affidavits sworn by the candidates.
This is for the first time, as you will appreciate, this information is being made available to the press and electronic media, and in the process we expect it to be made available to the voters before they go to vote on 3rd, so that every voter in Goa has an informed choice.
The NGO has also appealed the people to vote in large numbers. They hope this voting percentage would touch 80% this time from 72% in 2007.
The number of voters who voted in 2002 elections were just 69%. In 2007 it was 72%, and I would want to believe myself that this time in 2012 we should be coming close to 80%.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Body of a woman was recovered from Zuari river on Thursday. Sources say that the mother along with her son and a daughter committed suicide on Wednesday night from Borim bridge. Police are still searching bodies of the 2 kids. This has come as a shock to the family and locals of Arpai village.
Body of Sejal Naik, aged 35, was recovered from Zuari river on Thursday. Some of the locals claim that she, along with her son Kalpesh, aged 6, and daughter Shweta, aged 3, committed suicide on Wednesday night. Ponda Police and Marine Police had started their joint search and rescue operation on the same night. However, bodies of 2 kids have still not been recovered. They are residents of Arpai. Ponda Police are investigating the case.
पण ताका सर्विसेक हांवें लायलो आनी हेणे केन्ना सांगोत ना. आतां तो सुद्दां इतले बाबा आपणान वस्ती खाल्ल्या जावं हें केलें हेणे कोणाक सांगपा जाय आशिल्लें जावं हेजे आवयन सांगपा जाय आशिल्लें आमकां चुलते आसा म्हणटकीर जावं कितें तें केन्ना सांगोत ना.
वांगडा आनी सगळीं भुरगीं बी सगळीं बरी तिवूय बरी आशिल्ली पूण अशें कितें जालें आमकां कळना ती वचोन ती अशी भुरग्यांक घेवन जीव दिवची अशें आमकां विचार करपाक शकना की आमच्या आडपयचो कोण तरी असो उडी मारपाक शकता म्हणून भुरग्यांक घेवन म्हणून आमकां पुलीस स्टेशनार वचोना आमकां कालूच कळलेलें. आतां हें आयकून अशें आमकां जाणा सद्याक कांयच नाका जालें पॉलिटिक्स सुद्दां इतलें वायट दिसलें सद्याक आनी हेजेर पूण चवकशी जावपाक जाय अशें कितें जाता तें आमचें थंय आडपय गांवचें आमचे शेजारी सगळ्यां कडेन बरें आशिल्लें आनी आमी सगळे हेल्पफूल आशिल्ले एकमेकाक पूण अशें आमकां सांगनासतना अशें कितें जालें तें आमकां कळना. इवन तेंक काका इतले अशें हेल्पफूल आशिल्ले हांगा तेणी तेंचे कडेन डिस्कस करपाक जाय आशिल्लें. काका तेजे मांव आसा पळय तेजे हे देर बीन सगळे अशें हेल्पफूल एकमेकाक पूण अशें कितें घडलें तें आमकां कळना. ना गोवान पयरूच जीव दिला.
A reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
Some suspicious slips were detected at a general store in Baina. Election Commission's flying squad at Vasco raided a shop owned by PG Nadar on Thursday. He is accused of providing food items to people free of cost upon giving a slip. The slip carries text in Tamil. Police have sealed the shop. PG Nadar is a native of Tamil Nadu. He has been residing in Goa for past more than 25 years. He is accused of providing food items to the people free of cost. Sources inform that some people go to his shop with the slip and they are being provided with the food items free of cost. The slip carries some text in Tamil. Flying squad from Vasco immediately raided the shop and found the slips in possession of the owner.
I found out that if any person is coming with slip, there is no this thing means कोई भी एक कागज लेके आएगा और उसको कुछ भी दे नहीं सकता ना. अगर आएगा तो पूरा आइटम लिस्ट लेके आएगा. Not a simple one paper and written something 03 or 02.
So there is something suspicious in that. Voters ko
I think that there is some suspicious. People are coming with that paper and he is taking money from that and giving something.
The owner PG Nadar was then arrested by the police. When questioned, he said that people come with a list of commodities and buy the goods and pay the amount. However, all the slips had same text, same commodities and the same handwriting. PG Nadar is currently in police custody and further investigation is in progress. Our reporter in Vasco, Surendra Madkhekar. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.